dreaming of a cozy fireplace where you and your soulmate share intimate conversations, wrapped in the warmth of each other's presence and the promise of a lifelong bond, signifies a deep emotional connection and security. The fireplace symbolizes warmth, comfort, and nurturing energy, reflecting the safety and protection felt with your soulmate. Intimate conversations imply open communication, fostering understanding and emotional intimacy. This dream suggests a solid foundation built on trust, respect, and mutual support in your relationship. The warmth of the fireplace represents passion and love, creating a sense of coziness and contentment. Overall, the dream indicates a harmonious and fulfilling partnership filled with love, support, and companionship, promising a lifelong journey together.